Today's recipe is Chiku ice cream. For this I have evaporated milk. This is 354 ml. 1 can of condensed milk, it's around 300 ml. I've got 2 cans of thick cream. Each can is 176 grams. Plus I've got some Chiku. I'm using frozen Chiku. Let's start making homemade ice cream. I'll start by adding thick cream to my blender and make sure the Chiku that you're using is a bit defrosted because I'm using frozen Chiku, so you need to let it defrost a bit, otherwise your blender blades might just get damaged if you're going to put absolutely frozen Chiku. So while we're waiting for our Chiku to defrost a bit, I will be preparing the cream mix for the ice cream, and once I blend this into a nice mixture, I will place it in my fridge for it to chill for at least half an hour before adding the Chiku. Add all your ingredients. Now, after adding the condensed milk and the Chiku, you can always taste for the sweetness of the ice cream. If it's not according to your desired sweetness level, you can most certainly add some sugar. So right now, I'll first blend this entire mixture of condensed milk, thick cream and evaporated milk. Let's blend it. This is how everything is blended well. Now I'll place this in my fridge for a minimum of half an hour before adding the Chikus. After half an hour, I'm adding frozen Chiku. I've used 600 grams for this recipe. Add Chikus little by little and start blending. Chiku is blended with all the liquid ingredients. Now I will be using an ice cream maker to churn it into an ice cream. If you don't have an ice cream maker, you can make Chikoo Kulfi. So I will be setting my Chikoo Kulfi in this clay pot. So first I'll pour part of the mixture in my ice cream maker and some part of it in this clay pot. So let's start making our ice cream. I'm starting my ice cream maker and I will start pouring my mix. Now I'll pour some of it in my clay pot. After pouring in the Chiku mix in my clay pot, I have chopped some Chiku fruit and you can just garnish it as you like before freezing it. What I like doing is I will cover this with parchment paper before I place it in my freezer. I'll place this in my freezer and let it freeze for at least 4 hours before serving it. It's been exactly 22 minutes since this ice cream was churning. Now I've turned my ice cream maker off. I'll remove the lid and let's see how it's made. I'm removing the bowl in which I churned the ice cream. I'll remove this ice cream from this whisk into a container before I place it in my freezer. Chiku ice cream is ready to serve. This is a soft serve ice cream. You need to freeze this Chiku ice cream for a few hours before serving since it's soft serve. This is best enjoyed when it's chilled. Also, you can add this ice cream to some milk and make a amazing milkshake. Also the kulfi, you can enjoy this kulfi chilled just before serving. Remove the kulfi from the freezer 5 minutes before serving to enjoy it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please click on the bell icon for notification of my latest videos, and thank you for watching.